Alright, Tech Tip Thursday. Today we're going to talk about kind of going back to basics. So I'm going to dispense this quick, and you're going to see what it looks like. So see how it's all uniform in one color? And I will sanitize this after I take it off. Pull him off, and we're missing an O-ring. So what that's doing is it's allowing our product to actually blend above instead of down and inside the diffuser itself. So when you dispense, you should see, and hopefully this one will show it, you should see the lines inside that soda water, so it blends together like that. That's what it should look like. It's just... So if you ever see that, first place to always look, see if that O-ring is missing, or sometimes there's additional little baffles missing down inside here. So this is looking correct except for the missing O-ring. So just little things to watch for. It makes a big difference. This is how you end up with your soda not mixing correctly and end up with like a super foamy soda. Also, obviously, I drink Code Red, otherwise I wouldn't call this. So, kind of keep an eye out for those things. Have yourself a good day.